Hello friends, I'm Ehsan from eBangalore Property. Today we are in Magadi Road and this is an independent brand new house built on 30 by 41 plot. It is a society site. Ground floor what you are looking at is a shop. It is planned as a shop purpose. There is separate one bedroom, studio and above duplex 3 BHK house. Brand new construction, south facing site. Planned as per Vastu. This is car parking area. About 2 cars can be parked. All provisions for UPS, inverter, LPG, all are done. Own borewell is there. Bescom meters have been taken separate for shop, houses and duplex house. Spacious parking, fully secured with safety gate. This is the studio unit behind, and right behind the shop there is a 1 bedroom attached bathroom unit, completely secured ground floor, teakwood main door, east facing entrance. This is 1 bedroom with attached bathroom. You can rent it out or use it as a servant quarters. Fittings will be coming, bathrooms will have all the fittings. And there is a separate toilet behind also for the shopkeeper in case if you are renting it out. Common toilet is there. This is the studio unit, again east facing, teakwood main door, hall, kitchen and bathroom. Can be rented out for a small family or bachelors. Property is in a well developed locality. Right now it is having B Khata. It is a society site, DC converted. If betterment charges are paid, you can get A Khata for this site. Right now it is having B Khata. Ground floor, first floor and second floor construction. Basic wardrobes, modular kitchen, all included. Completely granite flooring. Now we are on the first floor. First floor, this is the main owner unit. Fully secured with safety grill. Wall cladding is done. Teakwood doors and windows. Fully secured corridor. 3 bedroom hall kitchen duplex house. So this is again east facing main door. Teakwood. This property was listed few days back in our website also, ebangaloreproperty.com. So if you know our website, all the listings will go live first on our website. Then later on this will be posted on our YouTube channel. So if you are looking for any property, do check out our website ebangaloreproperty.com. So this is the duplex 3 BHK house. Main house, first floor and second floor. Beautiful wall art, POP false ceiling. Good natural ventilation because of the setbacks, right round setbacks. This is puja room. West facing puja. Solid teakwood carving door has been done. Wall tiles are there inside. So this is the puja room inside. Final works are pending right now. Bathroom fittings, final painting and TV. The seller is going to make a TV unit in the living room, which is yet to be done. This is separate dining, crockery unit. Staircase going upstairs. So this staircase goes to the terrace and the upper floor. It's exclusive terrace area for the duplex house. This is kitchen right in the southeast corner. Fully modular kitchen. Granite platform. Sink. Sink will be fixed. Behind the utility area, again secured utility. So this is the utility. Again door is teakwood. Additional sink is there behind. This is the first bedroom with attached bathroom. On this floor there is both attached and common bathroom. Full wardrobe, dressing mirror and attached bathroom. This is the common bathroom. Premium quality bathroom fittings will be provided. There is a hand wash basin also outside. Now let's see the upper floor. On this floor, two spacious bedrooms and a large sit-out area. All external doors, main door, all door frames, windows, everything is solid teak wood. Bedroom doors shutter will be veneer polished doors will be there. Second bedroom with attached bathroom. And this is the master bedroom with attached bathroom in the southwest corner, roadside facing. Full wall-to-wall wardrobe, attached bathroom. And this is a spacious sit-out area. The platform has been given here in case if you want to have small parties and get-togethers. LED lighting above and further access iron ladder to reach the terrace above. The storeroom also here. You can keep washing machine. Please go through the description for complete details. Thank you for watching this video. Do subscribe our channel for latest properties.